I want to do a really quick overview of this beautiful gold faucet. It was gifted to me by JOINMIX. It would go perfectly in any kitchen or even laundry room. The JOINMIX Quick Fix Solution Faucet is designed for the simplest installation. It comes packaged and protected very well with all of the instructions you need for installation. The beautiful gold finish would match any kitchen or laundry room very well. You have a spray and a stream function that you are able to adjust right on the handheld sprayer. And there is plenty of hose to be able to pull out and use the faucet all around your sink area. As we look at the second layer of the packaging, you see the bulk of the faucet itself. The beautiful gold finish continues on it. You can see the cartridge area as well as the lever for the faucet. It has a nice smooth finish to it, moving from hot to cold, on and off, moves nice and smoothly. And this is what makes the faucet so unique. These two side flaps are designed for just being able to push the faucet in, and then they will open up and lock in underneath your sink. So there is no drilling, there is no screwing or tightening, reaching in up under the sink required. It comes with your hot and cold hoses for easy hookup, as well as all of the extra accessories. This is the weight that you just open up in order to clasp onto the hose itself in order to add that counterweight so that it will pull all the way back down and secure your pull down faucet tightly. There's also extra accessories for different counter depths for adhesive to be able to have a nice tight install, as well as the gold plate if you prefer to have that plate. We have our Allen key for tightening, for loosening, adjusting, all of the things so that you get the perfect fit in your space. I hope this helped.